Well, hello there. Happy Thursday. I hope you're ready for another great day of learning about subtracting to compare in word problems. So here we go. Subtract to compare in word problems. Let's start here. It says 8 notebooks, 3 pencils. How many more notebooks? Well, what's the problem about? I see notebooks, and there's how many? 8, and pencils, 3. And it wants to know how many more notebooks than pencils. So if we have 8 notebooks and 3 pencils, so if we match them, we want to take away 3 to find out our answer. So 8 take away 3 leaves us with how many notebooks left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 notebooks left over. So 8 take away 3 is 5. So that means there are 5 more notebooks. Let's move on to the next problem. There are 7 carrots and 4 rabbits. How many more carrots? Well, let's highlight the important information. What's the problem about? I see carrots and rabbits. How many carrots are there? 7. How many rabbits? 4. And it wants to know how many more carrots. So here we have our 7 carrots, and here we have our 4 rabbits. If we look over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this must represent the carrots because there are 7 carrots. I'm going to write a C for carrots, and down here would be rabbits. So we need to draw 4 circles to resemble the rabbits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we don't have any rabbits here, so we need to figure out how many more carrots there are. So we have an equation to help us. 7 take away 4 is, so if we have 7 and we take away the 4, so we'll match them up, that leaves us with 3 carrots left over. So 7 take away 4 is 3. So we have 3 more carrots. Let's look at this problem. It says there are 6 pencils. There are 2 erasers. How many fewer erasers? So what's the problem about? I see pencils and erasers. How many pencils? 6. How many erasers? 2. And it wants to know how many fewer erasers. So we have 6 yellow circles to represent pencils. I'm going to draw a P so I remember that it's pencils. So our erasers need to go here. So we have an E for an eraser. And how many erasers do we have? 2. 1, 2. So now we have an equation, 6 take away 2. Well, what we can do is match up. And how many do we have left over? So 2, 1, 2, 3, we have 4 left over, which means 6 take away 2 is 4. So there are 4 fewer erasers. Kay has 5 red cars. She has 7 yellow cars. How many fewer red cars does she have? Well, what's the problem about? I see red cars, and there are 5, and yellow cars, and there are 7. And the question's asking how many fewer red cars does she have? So let's get our yellow marker and draw 7 circles for yellow cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's get our red marker for the red cars. So what we want to know is how many fewer cars she has. So we need to draw 5 red cars. So let's draw 5 red circles to resemble the red cars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equation that we need to solve is 7 take away 5, and how many are we left over with? That will give us the answer for how many fewer red cars. So to solve this, we can match our cars, and whatever is left over will be our answer. So we have 2 yellow cars left over, which means 7 take away 5 is 2. So we have 2 fewer red cars. Here's our last problem for today. It says, use counters to model and solve the problem. I don't have counters, so I'm just going to draw a picture. It says 6 cats and 2 dogs. How many more cats than dogs? So let's get our highlighter and highlight the important information. What's the problem about? Cats and dogs. How many cats? 6. How many dogs? 2. And they want to know how many more cats than dogs. So I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to draw 6 dots for cats. So the red are cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to use yellow for dogs. So how many dogs? 2. 1, 2. An equation we could write to solve this problem is 6 take away 2 equals blank. So let's take our green marker and match up our cats and dogs. How many cats are left over? 4. So that means that 6 take away 2 is 4. And there are 4 more cats. That is our answer. And that is all we have for today. So now it's your turn to practice. So you're going to be able to practice by completing one of your iReady pages. If you need to check or don't remember what page you should do today, it's all on the first grade math website. So remember to complete your math paper. And then if you have any questions or you're not sure what to do, you can always have your parent email me, call me, or text me, and I'd be very happy to help. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday, and I hope to see you very soon. I miss you lots and lots. I hope you're doing fun things while staying at home, and you're being good to your parents and doing all your work. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.